Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a parts and assembly of belt roller support. Here we will create each and every part and assemble at the end. So let's make this simple assembly in SolidWorks, and you will learn some basic features in SolidWorks. The first part of belt roller support is base. If you check in table, all the things are written: base, bracket, roller, shaft. Now the size of base is 120 by 72 and thickness here 10 millimeter. Then there is one more surface solid parts feature going to add 50 millimeter, 3 millimeter thick. Then corner radius you will see 12 millimeter, full corner. And in this corner there is a M12 tabbed hole. This is tabbed hole, and we will use hole wizard tool to create. See the center distance, but actually it is located at the center point of this arc. Now at the bottom there is one cutout, 56 millimeter, 3 millimeter height and 45 degree. So let's make the first part. So I'll choose here top plane, sketch. Now go to sketch and activate center rectangle. Now this one 72, tap 120, enter. Now here go to feature and choose extruded boss base. See, now keep end condition blind, 10 millimeter thickness, say yes. Now if I am going to choose corner, you will get two options, fillet or chamfer, but here I am going to activate from here, clear, constant size fillet, 10 radius. If I am going to choose any one edge, you will see two options here. First one, it will automatically select all the edges, no need to choose separately, say OK. Now I am going to choose hole wizard. Now here tabbed hole or straight tap option here, DIN standard. Bottoming tabbed hole means hole, tapped hole is straight hole, no need to make any taper. And this is M12. End condition keep to next. Okay. Position, I'll choose this one. Now move your cursor to edge and you will find center point. Okay. Now escape key to out, check isometric view, say yes. Now click options, documents property, detailing, and check the shaded cosmetic thread, say yes. You will see the sketch. Again I'll activate center rectangle because this is located at OK. Activate smart dimension, and we have to define the horizontal length. It is 50 millimeter. Feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Keep here end condition blind and depth is 3 millimeter. Say yes. Look. Select this face, sketch, line. Connect. Again I am going to draw one line, construction line. This is the center of this point. Hold shift key, center and origin point coincide. Okay. Now let me select this line and choose these two lines and make relation symmetric. Activate smart dimension, 56. Let's make angle 45 degree and the depth is 3 millimeter. Now see, go to feature and activate extruded cut tool. Keep end condition blind and depth, let's choose through all. See, is going to cut up to this end. That's it. I'll add some appearance to this. Okay. Now let's save this one. New folder. Belt roller support assembly. Open. Part 1, this is base. Now here we forget to rectify this thing. Fillet. You will see here, this is 12 millimeter. Now save. Let's go to new part. Now here the next part is side support or bracket. Bottom view you will see 35 by 72. We will use this one. Then thickness is 10 millimeter. Then from back side there is a flange. You will see this one R15, 50 millimeter from here, and this thickness you will see 13 minus 5 is 8 millimeter, and this is 5 millimeter away from this outer surface. Then later we will cut this surface 5 millimeter, depth 4 millimeter. Top plane, activate center rectangle, 35, tap, 72, enter. Extrude. Now this depth 10 millimeter, end condition blind. Let's again fillet. If I am going to choose one edge and this edge, 10 millimeter, this radius actually 12 millimeter. Okay. Now from back surface, okay, we want to cut here 5 millimeter, so I'll choose sketch and activate center rectangle. Now this length is 5 millimeter and this one is 4 millimeter. Activate extruded cut feature and here keep in end condition through all. Yes, look. Now I am going to activate this face, sketch, line and draw or geometry. What? Go back to the point and see it's automatically converted into arc. Connect this point. Vertical. Activate circle and there is a 12 diameter circle. Smart dimension 15. Now distance from here to here is 50 millimeter. Okay, one more, this origin point, hold shift key center. Okay, this point is not tangent. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Activate extruded boss base feature. It is moving backside. Reverse 8 millimeter. 13 minus 5 is 8 millimeter. Okay. Corner fillet is 15 millimeter. I am going to choose both the end. Say okay. Hole wizard. Now here also tapped hole, bottoming tapped, M12 up to next. Width thread call out. Position, select this one. Keep cursor near here and you will find origin point or center point for this arc. Escape key to out. Isometric view. Say yes. Options, document property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. That's it. Now here this threads everything applied. Now this corner fillet also, there is one rib 10 millimeter 40 length, and here you will see this R15 30 diameter circle and extrude up to 5 millimeter. So I'll select this face, no, not this face, back face, sketch, circle, and this diameter 30, extruded boss base, and this thickness is 5 millimeter. Say OK. Now it is solid. So what we will do, again we will go to sketch, edit sketch. Now click this circle, inside circle convert entities. OK. Now see, the hole is created. For rib, I am going to choose right plane, sketch. Now activate line tool and connect from somewhere here. Activate smart dimension and make the length 40 millimeter. Exit and go to features. Check here rib feature. See, you will see the arrow is going towards body. Thickness both side 10 millimeter. Say OK. Look. Now I am going to activate this. Okay, this one is sufficient. This is the part 2 bracket. Now here the third part is roller. What names we suggested for this roller? Now you will see in section view, this is the view. You will remember this diameter 24, this point, 30 second one, third corner 40, the fifth corner 66, and the outer two diameters 76, 70, and this width 26, and this one outer one 40, and this thickness 8 millimeter. So let's try to make front plane sketch. Now first let me make center line. Okay. Now activate line tool. Now start from here. Better to use dynamic mirror. Select the line. Now activate line tool. See. Don't create any relation, otherwise it's difficult for us. Okay. Now deactivate, again activate line and connect. That's it. Now it's time to define the dimensions. Now this one, if you move downward, you will see diameter. So this is 24. The second point 30. Now the third point 40. Now this point 66. Second last 70, and the last one is 76. Shift 40. Now let's make this distance 8, and the last one 28. Now see, drawing is fully defined. We defined all the diameters. Revolve a boss base feature. Axis of revolution, I'll choose this line. You will see the preview. Angle of degree or angle 360. Look. Now save this one, part 3 roller. Now the part 4 is bush. outer diameter 30, 24, 3 millimeter thick here, 16, 21. We will use revolve boss base tool. Front plane sketch. Now let's activate line tool. I'll start somewhere from here. Vertical. Now make a construction line which help us to revolve a body. We need horizontal construction line. Hold shift key and make in one line horizontal, so it is for now this one and this one 30. Now this one 24. Three millimeter distance from here to here, 16 millimeter, and the distance from outer edge to outer edge 21 millimeter. Now go to feature and activate revolve boss base tool. See, it automatically took the line, center line or axis of revolution, and condition we will keep blind, and rotation 360 degree. Say yes. Okay, this is the part number 4, bush. Now here the last part is shaft. 180 millimeter long, 50, 15, 15. The center diameter 18. This one 12 diameter, and there is one hole 24 millimeter, 25 millimeter from here to here at center, 6 millimeter throughout hole, and there is one more hole inside hole, and this is actually this is pin hole, 6 diameter, depth 45 millimeter, and corner chamfer is 1 millimeter, but it's not shown here. Front plane sketch. Now I'll activate line tool and I'll start from here. Now here we are going to create many relations. First I'll choose these two lines, and here collinear as well as equal. This is important relation. This overall length 18 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 15, and this one is 50 millimeter. Okay, now this diameter it's 12 means 6 millimeter. Delete this dimension. Let make first this dimension 18 by 2. Okay, this fully defined because these two are, if you check this one, 50 by default. Activate revolve boss base tool, and I'm going to choose this one. Say okay. Again front plane sketch. Now let me choose here circle, 6 millimeter smart dimension, and the distance from outer edge is 25. Again we need to create one more relation. Hold shift key, select these 2 points horizontal. Activate extruded cut tool. Now here in end condition choose through all both. Say yes. Look. Activate chamfer, angle chamfer 1 millimeter and 45 degree. I'll choose both the end, edge or face, both the no issue. Okay. Hole wizard. Now we need to create a hole. So I am going to take a hole, and here I am going to take drill size. Now this is 6 millimeter. Okay. Now depth is blind, and 45 is the depth, and we will keep depth up to shoulder, not throughout. Position, I'll choose this face and move here, escape key to out, and just check the preview. Okay. Front plane, section view. Okay. Now look, the hole is created. Let's add appearance. This is part 5, shaft. Let's make assembly. Now here let's start to create the assembly of belt roller support system. So this is the assembly, and here we will add 4 bolts from system. It is DIN 7984 M12 bolt. Now open file, new, and choose here assembly. Now this is the R window. So first I'll choose base, okay, and click somewhere. Now if you are going to check origin point C, right click, float. Now choose mat. Now select both the parts upon origin points and see it is coincide relation. Say OK, cancel. Now let's insert another component. Now this time I am going to bring bracket. Okay. Now here you have option rotate component. Just rotate according to your position. Say OK. Now click mat, and here I'll choose this hole and this hole. Concentric relation. Say yes. Just drag somewhere like here. I'll choose this face, this face, concentric relation. Bottom face and top face, coincide relation. See. Now just hide origin view. Now let's mirror this part. So how we will do? Just open mirror component. Now here I'll choose first plane. So I'll choose the plane of this part. So just drop down base and you will find here the plane, right plane. Right plane is the mid plane of this body. Component, I'll choose this one. Click here next. You will see the preview. Everything keep as it is, no need to change. Say OK. Look, it's mirror. Insert component. Now this time I'll choose one roller and this shaft. Open. Now first make this two relation, keep mat, select these two, concentric relation, okay. Now here we will use advanced mat, width mat. I'll choose, okay, these two faces, outer face of this body and outer face of this roller. See here, tab section. See this roller going to fix at the center of shaft. Say OK. Now this circular face and this circular face, keep concentric relation in standard mat. Okay. Now this one again we need to apply here width mat. This time I'll choose, okay, we are going to apply between these two bodies. So outer part of this roller and outer part of this. Okay, this is going to perfectly fix at center. Say OK. Now standard mat. Okay, let's bring our last part, insert component, bush, open. Now this is going to fix inside the roller. Select this face and shaft, concentric relation, okay. Now select this side wall and this wall, coincident relation, Look. Now this one we will mirror this component. So let's choose here drop down linear pattern mirror component. First we have to choose a plane. So plane, let's say I'm going to use the same base plane, right plane, or even let's choose roller plane. So where is the roller, and this right plane of roller component, I'll choose this bush. Next you will see the preview here, say OK. Look how this is fixed. Now let's go to library, toolbox. Now I am going to use DIN standard bolts and screw and hexagon socket head screw, and here 7984, just drag and keep, and this face, see, it's automatically going to fix. Now let's check the length. M12, this is the M12 tabbed, length 20 millimeter because this is 10 10 20. Thread length, okay, whatever length you can keep, let's say 20. This is also, and here schematic, cosmetic. Say OK. Now it will ask you want more, so I'll keep my cursor near to hole, press near to hole and surface, press, this rotate, and the last one hole and face, press, cancel. See how we fixed. So this is the simple assembly of belt roller support. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.